Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today in this little pro tip, I'm going to share with you my secret to coating ironwork. Now I get asked this all the time, what's my most used finish? What do I use the most on all my ironwork, on all my pieces? And so this is going to be a two-part tip. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about what I use and then why and how I use it there. So one of the biggest things that I use, and it's the most thing that I have found that works with all my ironwork, whether it's copper work, anything to protect it, is basically paint. You know, there's all sorts of different types of natural finishes out there if that's something that your customer requires, but this is a universal right here. This is a Rust-Oleum gloss clear enamel finish. It is an enamel finish. It is not, what's the other one they call it? A lacquer. It is an enamel finish. An enamel finish means it gets hard. It hardens up. A lacquer stays a little bit more porous, and therefore I haven't had as good of results with a lacquer. Now, with a clear gloss finish on my items, it gives the item a little bit of shine and sheen. So if you're selling your work, in general, what I have found is customers love shiny things. And it's natural to like shiny things, right? We all like shiny things, human nature. But this right here, I just finished this. If you can see that it has a bit of a sheen to it, a little extra shine. This wasn't polished or anything like that, but it allows a little extra light to kind of play with the colors underneath the paint. Now, again, you can go with natural finishes, you can use waxes and things like that, but ultimately those will lead to rusting and things of that nature. It's just a matter of time. I have items that I have painted with this Rust-Oleum clear enamel finish that I have had on my shelf for 6 years and still no rust or any sort of issues in that nature. Now, there is a proper way of applying this. Now, the can has a very specific set thing that it likes, a temperature range that the paint works best, but what I have found that works best for it is if you can heat this to about 95 degrees or about 100 degrees, just enough to where it feels warm, really warm to the hands, and then apply your paint. Not only does it dry very fast, but it dries hard. Like when it gets done, it's hard and it's almost impervious to scratching and things like that. And I say almost there, it will scratch if you rough it up too much. But I have found that that's my secret technique that I use on all my ironwork, and it eliminates there being any cloudiness or anything like that from moisture getting trapped underneath that paint. So you need to heat the steel a little bit to allow that steam to kind of, that moisture in that surface has gained to kind of get out of there. Just heat it up, like I said, about 100 degrees, 110 maybe, and then let it cool for a moment. And before the moisture can attack it again, go ahead and spray it down with your paint and you will be in great shape. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what type of finishes you like to use the most in your ironwork down in the comment section down below. I always enjoy hearing from you. And like always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.